Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video I will show you how you can easily disable comments on all posts in WordPress. So let's start. So the first thing you want to have is just be in dashboard and then just click posts. When you're going to be here, first thing you want to do is just click screen options and you're going to see like the columns here and you want to pagination, number of items per page, right here 999, so you see everything here, right? When you got it, click apply and then just click here on this space so you get like all markups, you got everything chosen, and then bulk actions, click edit, apply, and then you're gonna see like the comments here, no change, do not allow, and this is how you do it. And this is how you disable comments on all posts in WordPress. Thank you everybody. I hope you're going to have a great day. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah, thank you, see ya, and goodbye.